What would you say if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? Seriously, I've done it with affiliate marketing. When Haley and I started GrowthMarketingPro.com in early 2017, we never planned on making $1 from blogging. We started writing about marketing topics for fun. But here we are years later, and Growth Marketing Pro is generating 7-figure annual revenue, all while we build our best-in-class AI writing tool, GrowthBar. And here's the dirty secret. Affiliate marketing isn't that hard. There's a 7-step process that works like a charm, and I'm gonna share it with you right now. Okay, let's get into it. Step 1, start with the affiliates. Over the last 2 years, we've made $300,500 from one affiliate alone. If you're starting from scratch, start by finding the proper affiliate niche. Most people write about whatever's on their mind without considering the product, the search volume, or anything else. Don't do that. Almost every product or search vertical under the sun has affiliate programs. With that as fact, my process looks something like this. Start with search volume. Use a keyword research tool or use Google Ads Keyword Planner to find precise search volume. Order your keyword opportunities based on what you find. Most keyword research tools also have a difficulty metric to help you determine how difficult it will be to rank for a given keyword. Check out Google Ads. Using a keyword research tool or your own sleuthing, figure out if anyone is running ads for the search vertical you're considering. If they are, the conversion rates and the value per sale are probably high enough to warrant an affiliate strategy. Finally, find products with high sale price, high commissions, and relatively high search volume. Yes, you can go through the Amazon affiliate program, but your sale price will only amount to a few dollars per transaction with their 4 to 6% affiliate cut, which isn't very good. Other search verticals have products that cost hundreds or thousands of dollars and may pay 20% or more per sale. Step 2, sign up for affiliate programs. This part is really easy. Like I said, almost every product or service has an affiliate program. Even if a product or service doesn't have an affiliate program, they're likely to set up a quick and dirty one for you using UTM codes. Brands usually like other people promoting their products for them. Why wouldn't they? To find affiliates, look at the footer of their webpage or email support. Usually there's a link where you can sign up for the program, enter a few details, and then get a custom link that you can send your viewership or readership to. And for every sale, you'll make a commission. If you're struggling to find affiliates and you need some ideas, simply set up an affiliate account with Impact, PartnerStack, or ShareASale, or any of the other major networks. Almost all of them have a marketplace where you can sift through and find partners for your program. A word to the wise these days, I tend to stay away from medical and personal finance related affiliate programs. Google classifies those in the YMYL, Your Money, Your Life category. This means Google is extra stringent about the content and the background of the person creating the content. Choosing these two verticals makes it a bit more of an uphill battle. Yandex, a Russian search engine that recently had its source code leaked, has actually special rules for medical and finance sites, which didn't really surprise SEOs. Google definitely does the same. Step 3. Get a content plan in place and niche down. The internet is massive. There are 1,000,001 ways to make affiliate sales, so you need to understand how to sell affiliate products you care about. Most common ways are on YouTube and Google search. You can't make sales if you don't get traffic, right? So the easiest way to figure out how to sell your product is simply to Google it. What sort of search results pop up? For instance, when I Google best cold plunges, I get mostly long-form blog content plus a few YouTube videos. So in this case, I'd probably start by creating long-form blog content. Here's where I do a little more keyword research. Find other ways and angles to cover cold plunges. Particularly, if you have personal experience, you probably know some of the types of searches people are making before purchasing a cold plunge. Start with the highest intent searches and go from there. Google likes when you surround a topic and really carve out a niche for yourself to answer every single question that a user could have. John Mueller, search relations team lead at Google, himself said it's pretty hard to establish Google authority with under 30 pieces of content. Now, not all 30 of those pieces need to be about cold plunges, but you should definitely aim for your entire site to have at least that, and you should answer most of the cold plunge related questions within those pieces of content. Nobody said this was easy, it's gonna take a lot of work. Step 4. Create the best thing on the internet. Whether on YouTube or Google, your content matters a lot. As a founder or content writer, you need to create error-free content that is the right length, includes the right keywords, and follows best practices. Some of the most important quality tips to keep in mind are this. Start strong. Your intro matters a lot. Google knows if people bounce off your page. You only have a few seconds to both hook a reader or a viewer and establish expertise, authority, and trust. Next, talk less, say more. Make every second on page count for whoever's consuming your content. Be engaging, focus on readability, and cover all the major points. Word count. Yep, this matters. In our correlative studies, we found that adhering to an optimal word count does help with keyword rankings on Google. Plus, there's a certain amount of information required to completely cover a topic for the most engaged readers. Use the right resources. Next, use the right keywords. Google is still a machine, and it requires evidence that you're meeting search intent. That usually means including target keywords and other LSI keywords to establish topical authority. If you're unsure, use a content optimization tool like GrowthBar to guide your work. And again, once you've made your content, make sure to surround it with more content so you can truly say you've created the best thing on the internet. To do that, continue doing keyword research like we've talked about, and look at Google's and YouTube's autocomplete and measure search traffic and competitiveness with a keyword research tool. That'll help you prioritize keywords and write about the right stuff. Step 5. Links the smart way. Google is all about trust, and one of Google's most trusted currencies is links, both backlinks and internal links. So backlinks are hyperlinks from another site to your own, whereas internal links are from pages on your site to other pages on your site. In a perfect world, your backlinks are from reputable sites and all have anchor text that references the keywords you're trying to rank for. The easiest way to build a link machine are with these 3 steps. Step 1, consider doing consistent press releases and press outreach. Drumming up press for backlinks is about identifying moments that are worth celebrating, then writing a press release, and then reaching out to about 50 sites or editors that you've identified as potentially interested in the news. When sites write about you, they link to you. And FYI, even unlinked mentions are helpful. Next, guest posting. Open a spreadsheet and create a list of names and contact emails of 10 bloggers or adjacent companies in your space. Reach out to them and ask if they'd like to be part of a non-reciprocal link group with you. Then reach out to another set of sites and ask if they'd be willing to accept a quality guest post. In each of your guest posts, link to your own site and at least a few of your link building buddies. If you establish a one-for-one link exchange, they'll owe you a lot of links really fast. Internal link building. Ensure that you can get from your homepage to any other page on your site in 3 clicks or less. If this is true, your site is easily discoverable and crawlable by Google and users. When creating net new content, link to your existing content manually or by using an internal link suggestion tool. You can also link from old posts to new posts and update them simultaneously. Step 6. Scale like a startup. To scale your content operation, you need a startup mentality. You need to be able to write content, pivot based on conversions, and write again. Only in this way will you have a content business that runs on data. So pick a goal and make sure the goal is being recorded in Google Analytics or whatever other analytics tool you're using. Whether it's an email capture, download, demo booked, or whatever else, make sure it's being recorded. You can even use the dashboards of your affiliate partners to understand where clicks and conversions are coming from. Maybe there's certain posts or videos that work better than others. Look at the results of your content. If something isn't working, pivot and find other pockets of arbitrage. Some people like to start more than one blog or YouTube channel at a time to double their odds of success. And finally, scaling like a startup means putting systems in place and using tools to speed up your output. Use an AI writing tool like GrowthBar to scale your content production. And if you have a system that begins to work, productize as much as you can and outsource as much as you can to make it a conveyor belt of content. All right, let's wrap this up. So again, to reiterate the process, step 1, start with the affiliates. Step 2, sign up for affiliate programs. Super easy to do. Step 3, get a content plan in place and niche down. Step 4, create the best thing on the internet. Step 5, links the smart way. And step 6, scale like a startup. And finally, don't give up. I've started 5 blogs, 1 YouTube channel, and so far 3 out of the 5 haven't been successful. Well, that's a pretty good hit rate. It's not 100%, so you never know until you try. Like and subscribe below to learn more from me. And for the love of God, sign up for GrowthBar.